Okay, so essentially when you click the convert button, we create a new temperature. In this case, it's a new length, and then with the constructor we created before, and then append text to the output box, and then change the label to the current count of the temperatures. In this case, length. Okay, so let's double click our button, and now create a new length. So length L equals to, let me spell that, length L equals to new lengths. Okay, so it takes a new double L, so let's just create double input equals to input with the input text type make. Yeah. Okay, so let's do double parse, double dot parse dot text. So whatever we put inside that box will convert into a double. So input, and then is it y to m. Let's also create a boolean is checked equals to false, and now if radio button m y to m is checked, then dot checked, then that boolean is checked should be true, else if radio button m2 is checked, then
BLB.
is checked. Okay, equals to false. Okay, so that should make that is checked work. Okay, so now log box, which is the rich text box, append text, new text, and then L dot output string plus n. This is a method, so get the brackets, and now update the label. So label logs equals no logs of text equals to number of logs plus lengths dot count. Right, so let's check this out.
Hello, back again.
Oh, so yards meters. I'm not sure.
Down for me for some reason.
What?
Maybe it's my internet. I don't know. My stream went down.
Oh, it's probably your
My
internet.
stream went down.
Okay, it's probably your internet.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I might need some space there as well.
Yeah, I've just got a black screen for some reason.
Your internet seems to be dying, by the way.
Yeah. Great. And it's back. Okay.
Okay, so this gives us 41 meters, should give us 44.84 yards. I'm not sure if that's correct, let's check. Hold on. 44 and 2 yards. Should be 48. I don't think they gave me the right thing. 1 meter in yards. It's 1.93.
I'm gonna go fix my internet.
Okay. Bye.
I'm gonna go reset my internet.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So apparently I got the wrong thing. So a yard is meters times this and 1 yard to meter is 9144. So yeah, that one's fine. This one wasn't. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's run it again and see if it was fine. Wow.
Back.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that was fine now.
Where'd that other guy go?
Which guy? Oh, we have 10 viewers now. Right. Actually, I haven't refreshed the page, so... Yeah, I don't know. You okay? Sounds like you were running. Matt,
Yeah?
you're alive? Sounds like you're running.
Yeah, I am alive.
Were you running somewhere?
I just went and got a cake.
Oh. You have to run for the cake. Okay,
Yeah.
so everything seems to be working. The number of logs changes. Can you still see the stream, by the way?
Yep.
Okay, just because Nathan wasn't able to. Okay, so this is a the calculations log works fine. Now
I think you should remove the full stops at the end,
why?
because otherwise it looks like decimal points when there is no number, and then, I don't know, it's a bit weird to me.
Done. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna do something different so it looks better as well.
Well, I'm at least like 10 or 15 seconds behind. Oh
wow.
gosh.
What? The stream lagging?
Yes.
Well, for me anyway, like, I'm like, compared to here and to there, it's like really high.
Yeah. It was the same with me earlier. I don't know.
It's your fault.
No. It's just Twitch.
Okay, so it's working fine, I think.
Okay.
Doesn't seem to be. I'm really tired now. Anyways, let's continue. So let's go back to the presentation, which is almost finished, to be honest. Explain partial, it's fine. I think everyone knows what that means. Declare object, yes. Alright. Oh, the end. Okay, so I've been through the slides. Now let's go to the actual task, where they tell us what to do. So on the task exercise 3, they tell you to create a new constructor for the class that takes 3 parameters instead of only 2. And this time we have control of the date. Basically, that's what it means. So let's go back. Let's create a new constructor for lengths. So public lengths equals to double L equal y2m and then date time date. Okay, now I'm going to copy all of this, and instead of leaving it to datetime.now, I'm going to change it to date instead. Okay, so on the form, add a new control, datetime picker box. Datetime picker from the toolbox, add a new button. When clicked an object, okay, so I'm gonna have to create a new button that instead of logging the current date, will log any date. So, it's not too hard to be honest. Okay, so let's move this up. Date picker, there should be something there. Now, there's some things you can do. Like, if you can change it over in the properties panel. I don't think I should actually go through it, but well. let's just change this to date picker. And let's add a new button that will do different type of calculation. So log current log date button for calculation on this date. Okay. So when we create this, we'll still need the same thing. But this time I'm going to use a new date time enter date, and that will be equal to date picker dot value and then dot date. Oh, let's misspell value. Okay, so with this thing you can get the value from date picker as a date time value. So when we create a new length, we can just send in date entered and enter date, and it should work as well. But I think I need to change some stuff. That's fine. Let's see how this works now. So if I put 2034 with the current date, it will show up current date. But if I change it to the 1st of November, log okay, yeah, so it still works. Now I'm logging in on the 1st of November and it works fine. And that's about it. That's the
Any
topic.
questions, people?
I don't think anyone has a question. Because we didn't really get any questions. Let me check on Facebook if we got any
Yeah.
questions.
Oh, Facebook.
No, no one.
Okay.
I didn't see anything. I didn't get any notifications, but yeah. Or no tweets.
So,
Mega Carlos.
Oh,
Don't know what that
no,
means.
Carlos. How awesome Carlos is. So hopefully this time this stream has saved, so you can look back at whatever.
yeah, I'm recording as well.
Walking Dead comes out tomorrow? Ah, yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh. But yeah, people can know that Walking Dead is out again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
Update.